Do you want to temporarily deactivate your X Twitter account? Maybe you want to take a break? Alright, so for that, let's launch your app. Tap on your profile pic, and from this menu, go to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Your Account, and then right at the bottom, just tap on Deactivate Your Account option. Just go through this section. There will be some information like you can reactivate your account back within 30 days, and all your subscription will be canceled after a deactivated account. If you're okay with that, just hit the Activate button. And then you're gonna just verify yourself and then hit Send. A code will be sent to your trusted source. Grab the code when you get that and just put it down in here. Hit Next. And from this pop-up, lastly, tap on Yes, Deactivate. And that's it. As you can see, you will get this prompt that your account has been deactivated. Just press OK and get out of here. That's all for today. Thanks for your time.